What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be installing the first interior mod on the VW Polo project, and that modification is in this box right here. Is currently what the interior of the car looks like. It's tidy, you know, I think it's quite tidy. What I want to do is I'm going to put the steering wheel trims on here, but before I do that I'm going to take the battery out and I'm going to disconnect the car because I need to unclip this particular clip here. And the last thing I want to do is play about with this clip and move this about too much and make the car think something is wrong and this go off. I always dread doing this, to be perfectly fair with you. Battery's off, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. I've only got a screwdriver, I can't find my plastic pry to, but works the same. I'm going to stick this in here. We have the holy grail of all modifications. Typically they come with backing on the back, but I've already taken it off. So this one goes on not like that. It goes on like this. Pop that on there. You can put fiber, you can put carbon fiber here, like, and then last but not least, I'm gonna do the proper bottom upgrade. Get that in there, get that right in them nooks and crannies. Jesus, that is beautiful. Oh, come on, that is beautiful. Let me stick these on. How amazing does that steering wheel look? That's just, yeah, that's a winner for me. So that modification's now done. That's the first interior modification that I've done on the car so far. The next modification on the interior that I'm doing has already been ordered. The modification is now done on the car, and for the price it cost me to do this to the car, which was basically less than £10, it's so worth it, because my steering wheel on the car now looks honestly, it looks incredible. And next week, the next interior modification on the car that I'm doing is going to be arriving, so I'm going to be making a video on that, and that's going to be, I just can't wait to get that done, because with the steering wheel and the new mod that I'm putting in the car, oh my, yeah,